Use an area model to multiply 17 by 8. Answer, 136. What is 14 times 4? Answer, 56. What is 39 times 9? Answer, 351. Order, 1/2, 1/4, 3/4. Answer, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4. Use an area model to multiply 29 by 2. Answer, 58. Use an area model to multiply 20 by 8. Answer, 160. What is 17 times 8? Answer, 136. What is a unit fraction? Answer, a fraction with 1 as the numerator. Order, 1/2, 1/4, 3/4. Answer, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4. Is 7 a prime or composite number? Answer, 7 is a prime number. Use an area model to multiply 29 by 4. Answer, 116. Estimate, 354 divided by 4. Answer, is almost equal to 87. What is 19 times 5? Answer, 95. What is 24 times 10? Answer, 240. Order, 1/2, 1/4, 3/4. Answer, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4. Order, 1/2, 1/4, 3/4. Answer, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4. Estimate, 341 divided by 4. Answer, is almost equal to 85. What is 45 times 4? Answer, 180. What is 31 times 8? Answer, 248. What is 41 times 10? Answer, 410.